Hi. Oh shit. Stop. Dude, give me your glasses. You gotta see me with them on. This is crazy shit. No, not yours. Hold on. I'll wear yours after I wear hers, because you guys gotta see this. Let me wear yours real quick.
I want to wear yours.
I'll wear yours. Okay. I don't know what I look like with yours.
I want to see how blind you are.
I like fucking with people.